On our way to, where are we going, baby? We're going to Revive for our facials. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Okay, thanks you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Can I use your bathroom first?
Yes. Hi.
Like the skin, especially areas that are very, very, very dry or have a lot of dead skin or inflammation, it kind of turns a bit like whitish. So what you're going to experience after this, right, it's going to be a bit red. Like you can see now your skin is a bit red, especially here, right? And here it's going to be a bit red for like a couple of days. What you may also experience is that these areas may turn a bit like darkish in a way, and then it will kind of scab and then it will fall off on its own. So that will be the peeling that may happen in that area. So you have to be very, very gentle when you are washing your face. Make sure that you don't like touch your face unnecessarily, and don't use anything else besides what I'm gonna give you. Okay. Yeah, because the healing is very important afterwards, especially after a peel, because it does like kind of disturb your skin barrier. It's very important what you do afterwards.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yo. It's burning. Okay.
And this is not even the peel, it's just the prep.
Yo.
So then the peel may feel like this.
Yo.
But is it coming down?
It is now.
Okay. So that basically does tell me that your skin is quite sensitive.
Okay.
Because you are turning also a bit red, especially around here and also here. So I'll need to just pay attention to that. So we need something to just really calm the skin down. You can feel it.
I can feel the burn. Yo.
Which area are you feeling it the most?
Here. Here. This side. Oh, the whole face.
The whole face.
Yo.
Right. The face is first thing. So you just want to remove it now.
Okay.
Is it going down or is it still burning?
Still burning.
I'm gonna remove. Will calm down after a couple of like hours or even maybe a day, right?
Okay.
Especially around this area. If you do experience like a bit of peeling, flaking, or sometimes it's gonna look like it's gonna go darker. Right? And use it day and night. You don't need a lot. One pump is enough. It foams up. So you just wet your hands, pump, and then just wash the face, right? This is the ointment that you need for the next coming days, especially because how red your face went and the fact that we frosted, right? You will use this one also day and night. You don't need a lot also, so you use it for about 3 to 5 days. And then once that's done, you put it aside. Then this would be your daily moisturizer. So to help with calming the inflammation, the redness, and just also moisturizing your skin, especially because you're very dehydrated and your skin is very sensitive. I want to calm the sensitivity down first before we can do anything else.
Right? And then this one, Amelia, I'm not sure if I want you to get it just as it.
Not this for both. Perfect. Okay, phone. You're nope.
Yeah. Guys, we just our we sit group of more facials too. And I have a sad thing to share with you guys. I think I'm gonna take a pause on setting skin products because I think I've learned a lot today. And since I'm not doing them myself, I think I'm gonna stick to the organic soaps only. And then the creams, because I think I didn't know this much about skincare, like the depth of ease that we go through, and that is moisturize skin. So I don't wanna trend or jeopardize my brand because I'm guys. So let me go learn first and then come back with better products. Okay? Anyway, guys, bye.
This is probably the last day of the vlog. I don't know where I left off, but yeah, I took my hair. I got an installation. I went out with the girls yesterday. I just came back from a movie.
Oh my guys, this is day 4. And my skin already started opilish. And I'm going to Austin for installation because I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm going back home. Okay guys, now I am ready to go to Austin's place. I'm just wearing a jumpsuit, my brand. And Lena guys, I'm just wearing this long jumpsuit, $750. And then my baby's Air Force hoodie. So yeah, let's just go and do this hair and then come back home and chill. So should I more but no more bolt for you. Sienna, she will take a bolt and then okay, it's far. So let's drive to Austin's place. Got it on Emmanuel. Son. Inge wayna spili le moto. Wayna spili sana. Let's check shit what inside. No? Clueless. 3.250. 3.250. Clueless. But nake usiyenze sifake asifaka neglucose sifake iyanto igel for biting up and then we ironed it. It's 3.250 on sale for revenge. Skin some. Hey guys, so I think I'm gonna no one decided to go, but I think sorry we chiropractor for a checkup and then let me just get the key and then dihambe. Huh?
I miss you already, son. Oh, Papa baby.
Hi baby, it's all. I'm not going to buy a piece. Bye. Oh. It's time to start my nyan is here. Ndikwenza umntu shem ndinika ivasi intelent into yamlam benginjani can you mean can you mean
Another one.
can you mean
And then,
can you mean
ungay sustain, you know? Just
tell the world that you were more than enough. Yes, that's good. This safe vlog. Thank you. Come, Mama.
That's the one.
Ha.
Langa lakho namhlanje. Uzozithelele.
Nginomshikashika.
Awubathembi.
Mali chicken. Huh?
Bayadlala la.
Protein.
Cheers.
Oh. Hi, cheers, Sana. Is that? No, can't strong on it, is that? Yeah.
And it is a bit loud, nice. That's mine, thank you so much.
Hi, Fresh. And yes, but yeah, you don't know where to Fresh, but I have necklaces up. What's my necklaces up? So man to man. I am a champion. My song. I said about believe about 38. Who would believe about 38? Sensation nje bani ngikujungile nje ebusweni ayikho na 38 ochoyo aze kum
Better guys, I'm age younger.
but imnandi without the ice with an extra shot kungonivakala ukuthi yazi ntoni iyo le andifuna soup yakho mine strong.
Yo, man strong son.
I sit down. 3.
Hey, I'm in a brain freeze.
Yeah, baby.
Namang, I go.
Oh, it's so cold.
Let's go.
3.
Baby,
Guys, it's a lot. You're going through a lot. Ne?
I know, I'm peeling.
And then
Simba.
See,
what come? I'm not coming in the picture.
Oh, you never come in the picture, honey. They have to dig deep. Come, let's go.
Kill us, man. Let's go.
Again. Hi, indlebe shushu kaloku. Mehla yashisa.
It's so easy to down it here. So when it brain freeze.
You guys say I'm a champion. Guys, the entrance is very important because in the winner. But when you leave, or the behavior, awuphakathi. Izobuveza ubuphara, ne? But we had pizza, we ate. Yo, guys, ininzi la nyama esinikwe chicken. And then we were 16 piece, 14 piece with chicken. So this is our bill, and we're gonna give her 1.5. Yeah. Guys, xa nifika apha kule ndawo xa nifike nibufune lo sisi igama lakhe nguPrecious. Oh my love, oh usiphethe my fresh, my fresh, please mencinci bafune wena. Oh Danko, please. Oh it means thank you. We are closing off the vlog. Xa ndiphinde ndibuya apha ndifuna my fresh. Ingqondo ixesha. Yeah. Ewe sa. Thank you my soul. Zange yashona nangu Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson unemoonwalk. Bangale sisikwaaiman walk. Sikayo. Just press play.
That's no space, pet.
Michael Jackson unemoonwalk yakhe. Na?
Tuck in your stomach.
Hi baby, be happy. Be happy, Ithalam. Be happy, Lord. ZintleKwaaiman walk. Can't. What are you doing? Ready, huh? Oh, I can't. Maluvuka. Take one step at a time. No need to rush. It's ready to pass. Thank you. It's already hard. Thank you. It's already paid. So don't treat it down. Who wants to pay it down? Oh, Nancy, what is London. Cousin, I can't look. Oh, Ithalam. Oh, there's no need to run. It's like learning to fly, to falling in love. It's like a supposed to happen. Find the reason why. What's the period? What it is, oh, Teberoba, Bereberepe, Tororo. I and Jasmine. Let's go together. Let's go together.